Okay, ladies and gentlemen, we're ready to do the review for your test, which will be on Friday, diffusion, osmosis, active and passive transport. So if you get this paper out of your green folder, you should have been working on it all day, and is the answer key. So we know diffusion is the movement of molecules from an area of high concentration to an area of low concentration. Molecules are any particles. Osmosis is the actual diffusion of water. It has to go through a semipermeable membrane. A semipermeable membrane is a membrane that allows things into or out of a cell based on the pore size. The bigger the pore, the bigger the molecule that can move through it. Small pores will only allow small things to pass through. All molecules, all cells, all situations are trying to reach a state of dynamic equilibrium. Here we're looking for the same number of molecules on the inside and the outside of the cell so that it's balanced. This could be a scent moving through a room, this could be dye in water, this could be water moving through a cell in or out. We're looking for a balanced state dynamic equilibrium. Passive transport. It does not require any energy, and there are three things that do passive transport or that are passive transport, and they are diffusion, movement of molecules from high to low, osmosis, movement of water from high to low, and something called facilitated diffusion. This has a helper molecule that will speed things up. This is particularly useful for oxygen and carbon dioxide in your lungs. Active transport, on the other hand, is or does require energy. These are things that, because they take energy to do, we have to allow for an input of energy for them to happen. Endocytosis, meaning entrance. This is bringing in large particles that can't fit through the cell membrane, and as a result, they need energy to do this. Phagocytosis brings in solid particles like food, and pinocytosis brings in liquid particles like big gulps of water. The opposite of this would be removal of waste products through the process of exocytosis. Exo means out or exit.